Hello friends, this is the video for tutorial in history, Indian history, that means modern history, the formation of Indian National Congress and the questions related to Indian National Congress. This is part 1 of the session. We will have so many parts over here, means there will be many questions coming out from this part. This is part 1. This is very helpful for the school children, especially who are learning history, and also for the students who are preparing for miscellaneous exams like competitive exams, IAS, then state PSCs, UPSC, Rail, etc. First question is, who had written first official history of INC, Indian National Congress? It is Shri Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. Second is, Viceroy of India at the time of INC formation is Lord Dufferin. Number 3 is, who never became a president of INC? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. INC founded by Alan Octavian Hume. Its first session was in Bombay in 1885 and Umesh Chandra Banerjee was its first president. Who was the founder of All India Muslim League? It was Nawab Salimullah from Dhaka, and date is December 30, 1906. How many number of delegates attended the first session of INC? It is 72. The first Muslim president of INC is Badruddin Tayyabji. Formation of Bombay Presidency Association was done by Firoz Shah Mehta, K.T. Telang and Badruddin Tayyabji in 1885. Who was the first president of Muslim League? It was Nawab Waqar ul Mulk. Number 10. One of the founders of All India Muslim League and also involved in Aligarh movement was Mushtaq Hussain or Waqar ul Mulk. Along with Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, which Muslim leader lifted the bier of Bal Gangadhar Tilak? It is Shaukat Ali. In which book did Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi call the British Parliament as sterile and prostitute? The name of the book is Hind Swaraj. A Forgotten Empire. It's a book written by renowned historian Robert Sewell, which is about which empire? It was about Vijayanagar Empire. Do you know who Robert Sewell was? He was civil servant of Madras Presidency. He was keeper of the record in the office of Madras. Next is, who were the members of the cabinet mission? It was Sir Patrick Lawrence, who was Secretary of State for India, Sir Stafford Cripps, who was the President of the Board of Trade, A.V. Alexander, he was the first Lord of Admiralty. Number 15. To arrange the events in chronological order, we need to know what are their years. First comes Champaran movement, 1917. Amritsar incident means Jallianwala Bagh incident, 1919. Mopla revolt, 1921. Chauri Chaura incident in Gorakhpur, it was in 1922. The first round table conference in London was in 1930. With this, we end the session of history. Please share this video to as many people as possible. Thanks a lot.